Alright boys, welcome back to another video of the Bootcamp, right? So before I get started, I want to let you know that the Discord is down below in the description. You can join the free webinars. I'm hosting one on Wednesday. Today's Monday, so if you're watching it today or tomorrow, feel free to join for the Wednesday's webinar. You can also submit your charts to me so I can go over and send you kind of feedback and so on. There is also a free course now which I'm going to be revisiting and updating. So yeah, I'm gonna get straight into the video. Obviously you can see by the title of the video, I'm gonna be going over, the best time to trade, right? So the best time to trade straight away off the bat, 8 o'clock in the morning, right? But in terms of trading it at 8 o'clock, it varies because on some days of the week, the price might be consolidating. On the other days, we might be trending. So, every single day you can look out for this, but, every single day it might not appear. And that's when you go off on your own, you study, you backtest and kind of figure out what rules suit you the most in order to catch the trades that, are appearing at 8 o'clock. If you can be patient and, you're waiting for certain things, you're waiting for certain rules to be ticked off, then you can enter the trade at 8 o'clock. But if you're just entering at random times, being impatient, hoping to catch something, then you're going to be losing a lot of your trades, right? So 8 o'clock is the start of London session, right? So around 8 o'clock, you could say 7:55 and 8:05, right, is when you can get a lot of volume kicking in the market. So you could sometimes, on a good day, on a really good day, you could have, this is London session, so whatever way price wants to trend, it would do whatever. Let's say price is coming down, right? Got a bit of liquidity here. Price is coming over. Price is coming up. Taps into the order block. Let's actually say that this was the tap into the order block, right? This is a shift. So let's say 8 o'clock we come and tap into the supply. So 8 o'clock we know volume's going to kick in, but it's not going to kick in until the entry's been made. So it's whether or not you find the entry or not. Let's say on a good day it's quite clear, yeah? We're very confident that we're going to continue to the downside. We've broken structure, we've come up, we've tapped into supply. So 8 o'clock comes, bang, you enter, stops just above, and 8 o'clock you are going to impulse extremely quickly into profit as long as your entry is correct and direction is correct. If it starts playing around the entry, starts playing, doesn't really know what to do, it's because price isn't ready. And then by that, it could potentially just be a simple sweep of the high and then bang, it'll melt. But either way, price will always melt around 8 o'clock. If I put that into example now, this morning, it didn't trend, however, we did get a huge impulse. You can see, look, order block, we've got liquidity, we've got market shift. If price wants to continue down, we still have to target liquidity. So here's the PD array. Jumping down to the 1 minute, if we look at 8 o'clock, you can see 7:57, 7:58, 7:59, 8 o'clock, huge impulse, right? So the 8 o'clock candle is the trendy candle. So you could have caught this, 8 o'clock, stops just below, and then targeting the PD array. So that there would have been a quick 1 to 4.5, right? If we look at previous days, let's go to 8 o'clock. So exactly 8 o'clock on the very dot, taps into our order block, explodes to the take profit. Does that make sense? So 8 o'clock is the best day to trade. And when I say the best day is, if you want to be trading New York as well, then you can. But if you want to be listening to me and taking the same approach and you want to master EU and look at the markets exactly how I am, you've got to be following everything I do. So there's no point trading New York. There's no point backtesting New York. If you're backtesting, or forward testing, don't finish work at 5 o'clock and then start looking at the charts at 5 o'clock, because the charts at 5 o'clock, you won't ever see the charts look like that at 8 o'clock. So you always stick to 8 o'clock, master it, look at it until, you can predict every single flipping move, right? So that's the goal. So 8 o'clock, you get some volume. On days, you won't get the volume, but that's something for you guys to backtest and look at. But anyway, I'm going to leave this video here. If you find this helpful, join the Discord, like the video, and I'll see you boys in the next one.